Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Today we're going to draw Mirabel Madrigal from the Disney blockbuster movie Encanto. If you've seen the movie, then you know Mirabel is the youngest daughter of the Madrigal family living in the mountains of Colombia and the only child not to be blessed with a gift. I highly recommend the movie, which I've recently watched 4,000 times with my grandson Parker while on vacation. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Mirabel Madrigal from Disney's Encanto. We're going to draw Mirabel step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw her again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Mirabel is 5 heads tall. In other words, however tall her head is, her entire body is 5 of those. Alright, so let's start with the roadmap for Mirabel Madrigal from Encanto. So there's our roadmap for Mirabel. Now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Mirabel's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them very easily. Alright, so let's rough out Mirabel's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Mirabel Madrigal. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in Mirabel's final details. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Mirabel Madrigal from Encanto. Alrighty, there she is, the amazing Mirabel Madrigal from Disney's Encanto. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Mirabel before, you cannot expect to have drawn her perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Mirabel during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Mirabel from Encanto. And with that, you can draw her again and again. By all means, color her when you're done. I promise each time you draw her, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step of what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Mirabel. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.